Audio Jungle.
You've been learning a lot along this path. Right now, you've got the benefit and the curse of being able to shift your focus to a little bit of the pre-open work, right, and doing some of this brand piece. And I think that that's really interesting because that's a component that I think is really easy for people to forget about because there's so much going on, right? You're demoing, you're retooling all your stuff, you're trying to get your power in, you're making sure that all the contractors are going in time so you can still hit your open date. But you also, at that point, you're trying to build a brand, right?
Yes.
And you're trying to get the word out. So can you just talk a little bit about things you've been doing that you've seen success with from a brand perspective?
Sure. Yeah. I think we've covered a little bit of it, but I'll summarize. Making it safe, adding the lights, cleanliness, advertising how clean we are. We're not going to be a zombie mat. We're going to have ozone, speed. Everybody wants things faster. All of us do it in this technology community. The fact that you're in and out less than an hour, potentially 40 minutes wash and dry. It's clean. It's modern, telling that story, getting out and engaging with the community to tell that story in the media about why we're different versus what's currently going on, getting out on Facebook. Those are the things in the kids zone and the seating and making it a kind of a third space. That's a term that we've talked a lot about in the community, a third space where people can come together. Yes, they do their laundry. They can get their groceries at the Mexican grocery store next door. They can go to the Dollar General. But that's the idea of a plan to fit in. We're not just a laundromat. We're not just something that's a utility. We're a community place that people can come together, and we're not just machines, right? It's a place to come together and work in a safe, clean environment that has a lot of space. That currently doesn't exist in the market today. So that's where I was focused on telling the story, getting it out there on Facebook, in the media, having conversations at church, having conversations where I go around in the community, the barber shop, where I get my haircut. That's actually spread pretty fast. People ask for my card. They tell others about it's coming. There were actually people driving, I guess, to Grand Rapids to do their laundry, which is 40 minutes away from Holland. And they're saying, we can't wait to have this clean, safe, modern laundromat that's a destination for us to be able to do what we want to do with our laundry and get things clean. So it's been really exciting. I still feel the pressure, right? You still feel the pressure when you're doing all this. But I wanted to get the message out and be able to get that out and have others listen to it.